This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara.stefanou. Great location. Live like you're on vacation all year. Deeded beach access. Just out the front door and you're at the beach in just seconds. Land is condo, no condo fees. Located in the Chesapeake Bay side of Willoughby. Pristine condition with lots of upgrades including a new electric stove and new refrigerator. Primary residence or vacation home on the Chesapeake Bay. Easy access to I-64 and the HRBT. For more information, review the details below.